And how is everyone doing today? Is everyone okay? Is everyone good? Hope so. If not, I hope things get better for you. Today, I'm going to do a simple, how to show you how to make a simple origami boat. Really simple to make this. Even a beginner can. And it floats and all that. Any mistakes that happen, stay in the video as usual, guys. So, let's get to it. It's not going to be a long video this because it is that simple. So what you're going to need is just a normal A4 sheet of paper. That easy. You know, no making you having to make your squares or anything. So let's start. Hey guys, what you want to do is bring this edge to this edge. So fold it in half, long ways. You know, take your time as usual. The better you get the creases, the more symmetrical you get your creases, the better. And just give it a nice hard crease. Right, so you have that. Now what you want to do is give it another fold. That way. So bring this edge to this edge. One big fold. Just like that. Now open it back up. Make sure, do you know the first fold what you did is down at the bottom here. Make sure you have that down the bottom here, that first fold. You know, valley fold. Remember guys, mountain fold, valley fold. Just helps explain things a bit better. Make sure this is valley fold down, this middle fold here. Now bring this edge to this middle fold here, valley fold. Just like that. This is really simple guys, honest to God it is. Now you want to bring this edge to the middle valley fold line here. Just like that. And now, as you've got the two flaps at the bottom here, right, fold this edge along these edges here, if that makes sense. Straight over, like that. You can feel them behind so you know when to stop, just like that, if that makes sense. Just give it a pinch and just pull it a little bit to get where those lines are. And then fold, like that. Turn it over. Now bring this corner to here, folding it right over like that. Then do the same on this side. Just fold it right over, bringing the whole thing over. Now you want to do it with this flap here, this last flap. So bring it up, and then you've got the back end here as a guide of where the fold should be. So just bring it up, lining up to that back fold. just like that. Turn it over like that, recreasing all your creases as usual. Hey guys, you know what I mean. Now bring this flap over, just like you did before guys, on the last two flaps, and then the same on this side. So grab it and bring it over, just like that. Right, pick the whole thing up, making sure everything's nice and folded and that, and now just turn it over like that and open it up like that, so you'll end up with this diamond shape. Realign everything and bring it all together, just like that. Now turn it over, making sure you've got your two flaps at the bottom here, at the bottom facing you, and then bring these two edges to these two edges. So you bring this corner up all the way to top and then fold. Just like that, you know what I mean. Turn it over and then do the same again. Bring these two edges, this corner, to these two edges, this corner. All symmetrical in that guys. And fold. Now grab it, turn it over like that, and then open it, just like that, and fold. So you have this smaller diamond shape. Now what you want is, you'll have two corners here at the bottom, two flaps. You want them facing you, just like that. Now pick it up, and then you've got two corners here right at the top. So grab one, grab the other side, and just open it right out and right up. You know what I mean guys? Just like that. And there you go. A very simple, quick and easy boat that floats. The kiddies will like making these and all that, you know what I mean? So yeah, even big kids alike, you know, adults. So you know what I mean? Nothing wrong with that. But yeah, that's how you make an origami, very simple boat. Gonna start uploading regularly guys again, and if you like the video, leave it a like, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. I always reply, even if it's just to say hello guys, you know. Any suggestions for any hobbies, you know, we might do them, like, you know, because it is an hobbies channel after all. So yeah, but within reason, you know, it's, you know, things that everybody has access to, you know, simple pieces of paper, everybody has access to that, like, you know what I mean, for origami. That's why you do a lot of origami videos. But like I said, any suggestions alright, leave them in the comments below. Give it a like, the video, subscribe, hit the bell icon to get notifications when I upload a new video. Look after yourselves guys. I told you it was going to be a quick video, didn't I? Look after yourselves guys and each other, and get liking, subscribing and hitting that bell icon and commenting, and I'll upload a new video, you know, very soon. You know what I mean? Probably be another origami video, but you know, there you go. Gonna start showing you how to do dinosaurs and everything. You know, some Star Wars stuff as well. You know what I mean? Hey, origami wise. But yeah, that's enough chattering from me. Look after yourselves, guys, and each other. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, guys.